Miracle cough. After the first dose you will feel a sharp relief. Coughing can be tiring. How do others react to coughing? They almost run away from a sick person, especially in the fall, when everyone started to get sick. In addition, coughing is not a disease in itself, it is a symptom of some kind of disease. Whatever the reasons for your cough, we want to recommend you try this folk remedy. It put many people on their feet in just a few days. To prepare this magic tool you will need cayenne pepper 1/4 teaspoon, ground ginger 1/4 teaspoon, honey 1 tablespoon, apple cider vinegar 1 tablespoon, warm water 2 tablespoons. Preparation and use: place all components in a glass container and mix until the mixture becomes homogeneous. Water should be just warm so that the ingredients, especially honey, are more likely to mix. It is recommended to store the product in the refrigerator. To get rid of a strong cough, it is enough to take healing syrup 1 teaspoon 3 times a day. After the first dose you will feel relief. You need to be treated until you are completely free from the disease. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like the video and subscribe for our new content. Click the bell sign to stay in contact with updates from us. Don't forget to check some useful links in the video description below. Hope see you back on Lify Life.